Hello, everyone. I am Tengu with Achaibo Clinical. I'm delighted that you're here. I wanted to just create a quick video to discuss our upcoming webinar. If you work at a clinical research site, this will be a great one for you because I plan to go over how you can use AI tools to streamline your operations. And of course, a lot of the things that I'm going to be talking about really applies to all areas of clinical operations. The webinar is about decoding clinical trials, AI, and diversity, and the Yoga Sutras. The first part, we are going to dive deep into AI tools in relation to communication at your clinical research site, how you can manage those gazillion emails and newsletters that keep coming through and you're expected to read them and analyze them and respond to them. We're going to talk about data management, supplies management. How can you use AI tools to streamline your operations at the level of the site? And for those of you who do not work at a clinical research site, everything that I'll be discussing pertains to clinical operations and just daily management of projects in general. But a lot of the examples that I'm going to be giving to you are related to the clinical research side. So do not be dissuaded from coming. If you want to learn more about AI tools, how you can use them in your life or your career, I think this is going to be a really good webinar for you. And then, of course, I always talk about diversity in clinical trials because I honestly believe that when we have a new study coordinator or principal investigator or sub-investigator, or anyone starting at a clinical research site, there is always a tendency for them to struggle with operations, particularly if they're new to the industry. But with AI tools, you don't have to go through any of that. You can immediately understand how you can enroll patients quickly, how to manage your pipeline, what kinds of emails are expected, how to read the protocol, what to look for, look at the schedule of events in the protocol, and all the related things that have to do with clinical operations. And that makes the learning curve a lot easier. And the purpose here is that when we have a very easy learning curve, then it allows for different types of clinical research sites to run clinical trials. It allows for diverse patients to be in clinical trials. This is what this webinar is about. If you're new to the industry, or you're looking to start a clinical research site, or you just want to work in the industry, come listen and get some tips and tools that can propel you to the next step. And I always say that if somebody else has the information that you need and you can listen to it and take your life to the next level, I'm really happy that you're here. Oh, and if you're wondering what is behind me, that is bacterial art. I create all the images on this platform. I create all the content and I use AI tools. I'm applying it in art and clinical operations. I'm applying it in everything that I'm doing. And what will happen is that if you understand how you can use these tools to transform clinical operations at your site, that's also going to apply to all areas of your personal life. This is a wonderful time for us to come together as researchers and run incredible clinical trials that are for diverse populations and that can transform the world. Share this video if you know of anyone who might be interested in opening a clinical research site, or they're new to clinical research, or they're just a clinical research operations person who is interested in taking things to the next level, or you just want to learn about AI. A lot of the examples that I'm going to be providing are about the industry, of course, but as a healthcare professional, this will also help you as well. I look forward to seeing you guys. It's on August 20th, Sunday, August 20th at 9 a.m. Central Time. Once again, come join me. Let's learn together. It's going to be fun. You're going to learn a lot, and I look forward to seeing you there.